Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here in English 101, College Reading and Composition 1. I am in Home, which for us acts as a bulletin board to our classroom. On the bulletin board here, we post important information and the week's work. Okay, so what do we have on our bulletin board? We have Canvas Help, the 24/7 helpline is here, and we have a link to the Canvas student guide. We also have Canvas tutorials here if you're experiencing problems with Canvas. Okay, so what is our Week 5 work? Week 5 in modules, May 6th through the 12th, 2019. We have a change to the syllabus. Discussion 4, Chapter 2, Apollo Freire's Pedagogy of the Oppressed, 1968, has been extended through Week 5. In Discussion 4, respond to my questions after your postings and to any of your peers' evaluations of your essay. Additionally, complete Week 5 quizzes. Okay, so on our bulletin board here, we have a flashing image of Paulo Freire, the man himself. We have a link to the class reading, Chapter 2. We also have a reminder of our research paper topic, what we're working on now. What is the cause or causes of low student success rates in the U.S.? And what is the solution or solutions to this problem? We also have 2 earlier videos all about this English 101 class. This is an orientation to the classroom and workshopping the essay, which is my pedagogy, my teaching philosophy and method and grading system. Okay, I'm going to scroll up to our Week 5 work. We can access it here in modules, or we can click on this handy link here. I'm going to click here. And we can see that we have Discussion 4, it's been extended, and we have 2 sentence structure errors quizzes. Okay, I'm going to click on Discussion 4, and I'm going to show you what a question that I post looks like. Okay, so you'll see a question mark. I'll have an animated question mark anywhere that I'm asking a question. And please look not just in your thread, but below any peer evaluation you completed for a question from me. Let's scroll through this assignment. And we can see that I'm asking you questions everywhere. Okay, so be sure to answer my question, please. And keep in mind that sometimes you'll answer a question and I'll ask you another question. So participate in this discussion throughout the week, please. Okay, so we're looking down at questions I posed to you. And they're all over this discussion. And sometimes they're pretty involved. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow until I'm back in Home, that I'm here. And I'm going to remind you, if you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in Inbox. And you can also click on Syllabus and then on Instructor and Course Information. And you have all the different ways to contact me. Now, one of the ways you can also contact me is via Skype. I will Skype with you during my office hours, which are 12 to 2 p.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays, except for holidays. Okay, so here are the different ways to reach me. And please remember, I'm in Inbox. Okay, let's have a good week.